Are you looking for a small sling or pouch to carry your tech and essentials when you travel? Check out these two slings and a new cable kit from AER. Hi, this is David at Tech for Baba. Welcome to my channel. Please consider subscribing if you like useful tech for the family like me. In today's video, let's check out these two slings and a new cable kit from AER. The Day Sling 3, the Pro Sling, and the Cable Kit 3. See how they're similar yet different and which one would suit your needs best. First, the Day Sling 3. It's in a nice portable size, measuring about 11.5 inches long, 6 inches tall, and about 3 inches deep. 3 liters in volume, weighs about 0.8 pounds. AER offers this sling in its usual 1680D Cordura ballistic nylon in 3 different colors: black, gray, and olive. The one I have here is in the special VX42 X-PAC material. This X-PAC material is black and very sleek. A bit more plastic feel, so not as soft as the normal Cordura ballistic nylon. But it's developed first for sailboats, so very water resistant, easy to keep clean too. It has these cool looking subtle X patterns. The Day Sling 3 has 3 large zipper pockets, one across the front, one main compartment on the top, and there's one hidden one in the back, great for a passport, cash, or credit cards. Just above the back pocket, there is a handle and, of course, the adjustable straps for wearing the sling. The strap has a quick magnetic release, making the sling easy to take off and put on. Just push down the latch to quickly release it and slide it up to put it back on. There's also a little hook on one side and a small AER logo on the other side. The X-PAC version comes with YKK AquaGuard zippers in the front and on the top to keep the water out. The front zipper is large and has a rubbery cover on one side. There are 2 tabs, one on each side to grab with the long pull tab on the zipper to open and close. Another X-PAC feature is this bright orange interior liner. It's striking. Easier to see what's inside the pocket. The front pocket has a nice keychain strap inside. The main compartment is double zippered. The opening is big, all the way from the bottom on one side to the bottom on the other. It has most of the sling's volume. Yep, it also has this bright orange interior liner. There is a big AER logo with the X-PAC tag in the middle. There are many pockets inside. One big side pocket, good for tablet or small booklet. A zipper pocket, 2 stretchy black mesh pockets on one side, and lastly, 2 smaller ones on the other. These are great for small items like a charging cable, a portable battery, AirPods, of course, or even a floss. The sling has enough space for a pair of glasses, the DJI Pocket 3. Oh, and it's just the right size for my Nintendo Switch with extra controllers. Next, the Pro Sling. It's a bit bigger, about the same width at 11.5 inches, but an inch taller at 7 inches and half an inch deeper at 3.5 inches. The volume is larger at 4.5 liters, yet lighter at only 0.6 pounds. It comes in black, navy, and olive. This is the same series as the Olive Pro Pack 20-liter backpack I reviewed earlier. If you're looking for a high-quality, everyday backpack that works as a personal item on airlines, check it out after this video. I'll put a link to it in the description below. I have the black Pro Sling here. It's made of the new A40B Cordura recycled nylon, same as the Pro Pack backpack. It's softer than X-PAC material as expected. Like the backpack, the Pro Sling is a much simpler design with a clean look in the front. Just a couple of stitches on the top corners to give the front some shape. There is a very subtle black raised air logo on the top. There are only two pockets, the main compartment on the top and a pocket on the back. The adjustable shoulder strap is thinner with the buckle. There is an extra plastic loop on the buckle and another loop on the side. A very small logo on the other side. No handle on this one, but the shoulder strap can be removed, so this sling can be used just as a pouch without straps in a backpack. The main compartment opens at about the midpoint from one side to the other. Not as wide as the day sling, but the main compartment is deeper and wider. It has the typical gray interior lining. Similar air logo at the center with the Cordura tab. There's a large side pocket, again good for a small tablet or a small book. A zipper pocket with the keychain strap inside. Two black mesh pockets and one long zipper black mesh pocket on the other side. It's larger than the day sling and can fit more. Now, if you just need a pouch without shoulder straps, check out this new Cable Kit 3. It's the smallest at just 9.5 inches long, 6 inches tall, and 2.75 inches deep, 2.6 liters in volume, and also weighs 0.6 pounds. I have the X-PAC version here. There's also a black one in 1680D Cordura nylon. It's in a simple rectangular shape. One front pocket and one main compartment in the center on the top. Since this is the X-PAC version, the zippers are both AquaGuard zippers. There is a rubbery air logo on the side and a nice thick handle on the back. No straps like the sling bags. The front zipper also has this little rubber protector. The pocket goes across the front, but not very deep. Good for pens or the Apple Pencil. The main compartment opens wide, all the way from the bottom on one side to the other. It's like an accordion with many little compartments inside, perfect for little tech items. I like how it stands or sits on the desk all by itself. Being the X-PAC version, it also has this bright orange interior liner. Similarly, it has the Air logo in the center with the X-PAC tag. The space is divided into two halves by this half-height zipper pocket in the middle. On the back half, there is a big side pocket, good for a tablet or a small notebook. 3 little pouches on one side and 2 on the other. These are a little stretchy, but not as flexible as the black mesh pockets. On the front half, there's one big pocket on one side and 2 more medium pockets on the other. These pockets are great for AirPods, extra camera batteries. The medium ones are good for cables, portable hard drives, chargers, and a portable battery. So which sling or pouch is right for you? Here is how the Day Sling 3 wears. If a sling for carrying essentials is what you are looking for, the Day Sling 3 is a good choice. It has a nice wider strap that's comfortable to wear and easy to put on and take off with the magnetic latch. The X-PAC version, good if you have to go into the rain a lot, retails for $105 and the regular Cordura version is $79. Here's how the Pro Sling wears. If you're looking for a bigger sling with a removable strap, so it could be used as a packing pouch sometime, this is a good choice. There's currently not an X-PAC version and it retails for $79, same as the Cordura Day Sling 3. Lastly, if you're just looking for a tech pouch with no shoulder straps, this new Cable Kit 3 is a good choice. The X-PAC version costs $79 as well, and the Cordura version is cheaper at $59. What are your favorite slings or tech pouches? Share with us in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you find any part of this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, please subscribe and check out this video next. I'll see you in that next one. Until then, God bless, and remember to cherish each moment. Big thanks to AER for sending these out for me to try and share with you.